Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these two penguin ornaments in Heartopia. So head to the penguin area here, and you will see like a present next to the trough. And once you've collected it, also make sure you do the like cutscene first, and then it's going to redirect you to Bailey, and you'll get your second ornament. So make sure you go to that area first for the cutscene, and then it's going to direct you to Bailey. Then you're just going to talk to Bailey here, and you'll get your second penguin ornament. You'll get two more if you keep feeding the penguins until you're like level 5, I think. You get two more. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.